In this video, I am going to show you how to request a refund for your YouTube TV free trial. If you were charged unexpectedly or decided the service isn't right for you, this guide will help you get your money back. Let's dive in. To request a refund for your YouTube TV free trial, start by logging into your account at tv.youtube.com. Go to the Membership section under Settings and confirm that your subscription has been canceled to avoid future charges. Next, contact YouTube TV customer support via chat or email, found in the Help section of the website, and explain your situation. Be sure to mention that you were charged during the free trial period and request a refund. If your request is valid, they will typically process the refund within a few business days. Alternatively, you can also dispute the charge with your bank or credit card provider if necessary. If this video helped you learn how to request a refund for YouTube TV free trial, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.